So just as fatigue and frustration set in for those whose homes were flooded by Hurricane Irma, an act of kindness is giving a real boost to people in one Orange Park neighborhood in Clay County. Channel 4's Alicia Booth, who spoke with teachers from St. Bryan Jennings, tells us that they are behind this effort. Alicia?
They are, Tarek. You know, those teachers could be using this time off to tend to their own problems. Instead, they're out here in this neighborhood. They are responsible for moving a lot of this stuff from homes to the curb. And the people who live here say they can't imagine what this would have been like without them.
Come on in and look at the disaster.
77-year-old Don Fair can make light of his flooded Orange Park home because he could have lost everything in it, but didn't.
We're starting to dry out because of some of the work they did.
They are a group of teachers and others from just up the road at Bryan Jennings Elementary School, or SBJ as they call it.
Some of our teachers that are here experienced flooding and devastation in their homes as well, but they're here.
Some of them are wet, so you might need to dry.
For 3 straight days, they've been going door to door on Aquarius Concourse. Half of the homes here were devastated by floodwater when McGurt's Creek became a raging river as Irma hit.
Come get something to eat.
Not only are they feeding people who are struggling to save what's left inside their homes, they are also doing the heavy lifting.
Within the last hour, we've got 3 bedrooms cleared out and half the kitchen cleared out. So, I mean, it's amazing. It's taken so much less pressure off of me.
2 of Nick Howard's 3 children attend SBJ, but you don't have to have a child in that school to soak up the teachers' kindness. The Fairs, who will celebrate their 60th wedding anniversary in November, credit the teachers with saving one of their most precious mementos.
Here is my dress 60 years ago.
The Fairs now have a wedding dress spared, a house full of furniture moved to dry land, and like their neighbors, a new set of memories of incredible goodwill in the middle of crisis.
SBJ rules.
The principal has kept the school's cafeteria open all day today. They have been receiving donations for this community. Coming up at 6:30, we'll show you how you can donate, benefit, or even volunteer. We're live in Orange Park. Alicia Booth, Channel 4, the local station.
And Alicia, as I understand it, the students who attend SBJ, they were already in need before the hurricane even hit?
Right, Tarek. It's a Title I school, so that means every student qualifies for free breakfast and lunch. So a lot of those kids rely on the school in order to get fed. That's why some of the teachers were taking food out into the neighborhoods just to make sure the kids eat.
Wow. What an act of kindness. Alicia Booth reporting to us live from Orange Park. Thank you.